Hello everyone, welcome to Slideshow English. Today we are going to discuss about a big problem, huge problem, and the problem is writer's block. In this video we will talk about writer's block, how you can overcome this, and I want to share with you all the useful tips and tricks based on scientific researches that if you apply them practically, I can assure you 200% that it will help you overcome writer's block or any kind of procrastination. So watch the complete video and then comment down your opinion about the video. So for now, let's make English straightforward. Before we jump into the problem itself, we have to understand how our brain works. The most important thing that you have to understand is that our brain just creates some fuzzy or shadowy images, and there, if I say more specifically, chemical signals of what we are thinking. But our brain does not produce books or music or arts or anything like that. A good piece of novel is not just the plot. A book is a combination of many elements, as you know, and writing down the idea on paper is just one part of the whole process. So here I do not want to go deep about the process, every writer knows that, but what is writer's block? Writer's block is a kind of blockage that holds writers from continuing their works. It is not only about the authors, all the creative persons feel the same way. They feel distracted and cannot focus on her or his writings. And this is a kind of lockdown that our brain goes through, and every time the writer goes to write, she or he faces the problem, and they cannot resonate himself or herself with the work. That is writer's block. So now, how we can scientifically overcome or escape writer's block? So I am going to share with you some useful tips and tricks based on scientific researches. So number one, my tip is, anyway you have to write. So once you have understood that our brain does not function in words, you can overcome writer's block very easily. The most important thing is that you have to remember that you have to write down your idea on paper, no matter how weird the idea is. So first draft, when you are writing it, it is not the final piece. So why are you being so perfect? So why write the perfect first draft? Let the first draft be fuzzy and a messy kind of thing. That is no problem at all. But you have to remember that you just have to put the idea onto paper. You have to give the idea a special shape. And in order to do that, you have to write down the idea as quick as you can. Our number 2 tip is decode your own brain. Okay, so how you can hack your own brain? For example, you have written 2 chapters of your first draft. Now you are thinking how to organize the beginning of the 3rd chapter, but you got no idea and left the writing desk. Now while you are eating or walking outside or in the pool, maybe you catch a certain idea. It happens, isn't it? So in this situation, what you should do? In this type of situation, you need to write down the idea as soon as you can, because if you leave the idea, probably you are losing it forever. So this is called decoding. Whenever you have an idea, you have to write the idea down so that you can recognize the idea later. And in this way, you can beat any kind of procrastination or writer's block. My number 3 tip is, don't be perfect. A particular portion of your brain tells you to be perfect, but you also know very well that you cannot be perfect in the first stage of writing. So what can you do? Just don't perfect. The mentality of being perfect is the root that causing the writer's block. So once you can stop it, you can stop writer's block. Just don't be perfect. Tell your brain that it will get enough time and chance to be perfect later, but for now give the most priority to your creative instinct and just put your idea down. This is our first and foremost goal. And the next tip I want to share with you is move your body. And what I'm suggesting you, that I'm not talking about meditation or spirituality or spiritual quests like that. You can do them later, but here I am talking about exercises that will burn your calories and charge you up. So when you are busy, you are writing for so long, or perhaps your mind is very congested with other things, your brain feels difficult to produce great creative things. This is also a kind of block, and this is the part of writer's block. So in order to break the writer's block, you must have to move your body and warm your body up. And you know what? Science shows that when we exercise, our brain releases serotonin, which is the key hormone that stabilizes our mood, feelings, our well-being and happiness. It also releases dopamine. This is the most important chemical that also improves our neurotransmissibility and controls our emotional responses. So your body gets warm, your brain gets a power boost, and all your muscles are active, your nervous system is active. Now you do not encounter writer's block or even procrastination. So that was our fourth tip. Now our fifth and final tip to you is make new room. What I'm suggesting to you by making new room is that creating some space for yourself. By making new room, I mean to say creating some space, because creating some spaces will help you to encounter better with procrastination or writer's block. Where you used to sit every day and write hugely contributes to your writing mood. So changing your writing environment can improve your ability to cope up with writer's block. Even very small changes like organizing your desk a little bit, decorating your desk a little bit, putting some beautiful indoor plants onto your place will help great. So now we have come to the final part of our video, where we kind of sum up all the things. So lessons you should remember: number 1, writer's block is a mental condition where creative people lose their focus. That was number 1. Number 2, people try to be perfect with their works. That is the tendency of writer's block. Number 3, writer's block does not only happen to writers, it also happens to other creative people like artists or dancers or musicians. Number 4, writer's block is not a mental disease but is a temporary creative lockdown in our brain. Number 5, writer's block can be easily removed by doing exercise, listening to music, playing or reading books, or outing with friends, or just by arranging a get together with family. And number 6, if you are a writer and facing writer's block, you can write the first draft and later you will make it perfect. So don't get disappointed about writer's block. The most important thing is that you just do not give too much importance about writer's block. You just complete your work and your work will pay you later. Mind that very carefully. Do not give much importance to writer's block. If you are encountering them, it's okay, it's normal, it's not a mental disease. You will overcome it very soon. I shared all the tips in the video. That's it for today's video. We will be meeting on another Slideshow English video.